Brother Eli here. I'm going to read you a story today. This story here is called The Ant and the Dove. A thirsty ant went to a spring for a drink of water. While he was climbing down to reach out to the spring, he fell in. The ant might have very well have drowned, had it not been for a dove who happened to be perched in a nearby tree. Seeing the ant's danger, the dove quickly plucked off a leaf and let it drop into the water near the struggling insect. The ant climbed upon the leaf and presently was rafted safely ashore. Just at that time, a hunter was spreading his net in the hope of snaring the dove. The grateful ant, perceiving the hunter's plan, bit him in the heel. Startling the huntsman, he dropped his net, and the dove flew away to safety. Yep, every good story has a moral. The moral to this story is, one good turn deserves another. Or, do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Hee hee. Well, until next time, keep on reading.